Welcome, witches, to 31 Days of Lazy Witch Tips. Day 1, and we're going to do a spell like a lazy witch. All you need for this spell is to sit at a table or sit at your altar. You'll need a glass of water and extra points if you do this by candlelight. Now, I wrote an incantation that I'm going to share with you in the caption. I'm going to read it right now. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reading this incantation to our water. We're going to be changing this water and making it magical by reading this incantation to the water. And we're going to be doing this and validating ourselves as witches while we're doing this. And if you hear meowing, it's because Naomi Shea is here. Moving furniture. Let's focus, witches. Let's focus. I know, my darling. Okay, witches, let's focus. I am a powerful witch. I will honor my energy and protect my sacred path. I give myself permission to alchemize my emotions. I cover myself in mystical protective armor. I am a powerful witch. And then we're going to drink the water. As we start our journey down the 31 days of Lazy Witch Tips, I want to let you know that witchcraft doesn't have to be a huge, elaborate ritual. You can do lazy witchcraft and it can still be very powerful. I also want to let you know that science and witchcraft are related, okay? They're related. You're going to see me bring up some information. Just like I told you, we changed the molecular makeup of this water just by speaking to it, okay? I hope you guys continue to follow me on this journey. I'm really excited. Don't forget to say thank you before you blow out your candle. Thank you. Bye, guys.